Hi, good morning, friends. I just wanted to check in. I'm on a walk this morning. I do about 4 kilometers every day. I wanted to talk to you about some of the benefits I've found in eating carnivore over the past almost 4.5 months. So lots of benefits. I think the thing I wanted to talk about this morning is the mental clarity that I quickly saw the benefit of, just being so much clearer. Really don't feel like I'm hitting that wall at 2 in the afternoon where you feel really groggy and not alert and awake. I feel much more alert and awake. My sleep is off the charts. Pretty much every day my sleep score is about 100. So those are just two of the benefits. Is that mental clarity, number one. So feeling so much sharper when it comes to work duties, life duties, and then the sleep. I'm rarely getting up to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night. I used to get up at 3 every single morning to go to the bathroom, and then most nights wouldn't be able to fall back asleep. And now that just doesn't happen. I get about 6.5 to 7.5 hours of sleep every night and a sleep score of 100, like I said. So if you're changing your diet and you're trying carnivore, ketovore, I just really want to encourage everyone, and myself too. I'll talk more about it as we get to know each other, but I have my up days and my down days. So just a friendly reminder of we have to be patient with one another. Our bodies are healing as we eat more meat and rest our bodies and completely heal our whole body. That's the goal. So have a great day. Keep eating meat. Bye.